Welcome to the channel. Me, my little brother back here, and my girlfriend, and my dad. We're going to be heading to a slough up in southern central Wisconsin. I haven't fished a slough in probably 4 to 5 years, but the last time I was there was a lot of northern there. Not super big or anything, but it was still fun because we had, I don't know, probably 10 tip-ups up, and it was just flag after flag after flag. Last weekend, me and my little brother were in a tournament, and we were just catching panfish, and the shack next to us, they caught a northern, and he goes, "Can we go catch some northern somewhere?" And I'm like, "Yeah." And I was thinking I'd rather not go sit on a lake and only catch one in 4 hours that's decent size. Then I thought, well, the slough that I fished 3-4 years ago, 5 years ago, whatever, we caught a lot there, and they were smaller, probably 20 inches, but it was still fun, so I figured it'd be perfect for him. So that's where we're headed right now. I'll catch you guys once we get there and get everything all set up, and we'll see what happens.
The preacher man says it's the end of time, and the Mississippi River, she's a going dry.
Well, guys, we just got here, and there ain't no slough anymore. They drained it. As you can see over there, the pier is just literally just standing there by the poles. So yeah, I guess we are going to go and fish somewhere else now. So that's what it looks like now, I guess. Shows that I haven't been out here in a long time because I had no clue. Drove about 45 minutes to get here, and that's what it looks like. So I'll catch you guys when we get to the next spot that we're gonna fish. Alrighty guys, so we got to our new spot. We drove probably about 10 minutes down the road and went to a bigger lake, and we're gonna try it here. I've never ice fished this lake. I've summer fished it for bass. Done pretty good bass fishing, but we'll see how it goes ice fishing. There's some people probably, I'd say 50 yards to our left, and it looked like they were bringing up something on a pole when we were walking out here. So we got all set up. We got 3 tip-ups out, and then we got 4 holes in here. There's my old man, there's my little brother in that hole, and then there's my girlfriend over there. So in the Bexlar, we're fishing in 26 feet of water. I had no clue that it was that deep out here, but we'll see what happens. But I'll catch you guys once we start catching something, if we do catch anything. So alrighty guys, so we fished at that spot for probably an hour and a half, and like I said before, I've never ice fished that lake, and we were probably 30, maybe 40 yards off the shore when we were fishing in 26 feet of water, and we weren't marking anything, no bites, nothing. So we were there for like an hour and a half, and we were starting to get hungry. It's 10:50 now in the morning, so we decided to pack up camp, and we're gonna go get lunch, and then we're gonna go to another spot where I fished. Me and my little brother back here, I fished last weekend in a tournament, and we were catching a lot of bluegill. We probably caught, I'd say, 45 bluegill and a couple perch. And the guys next to us last weekend, like I said this morning, they caught a northern. So we're gonna set up tip-ups out there and see how that goes, but I'm almost guaranteed that we will be catching some panfish. So I'll start videoing once we get out there and get everything all set up. Alrighty guys, so we stopped, got lunch,
Casey,
and now we are at our final destination. We should catch fish here. Dalton, my little brother right here, he just had one on actually as I was getting ready to start filming. But need to say he didn't get it. Came off. We got 2 tip-ups set up. And we got 4 holes in here, and let's see what happens. But we definitely are not leaving this spot. Once we leave here, that'll be a wrap for today, but we'll see how it goes. Something down there? Casey might get one. She might be the first person to catch a fish today.
I'm the first one to get a bite.
You are the first one to get a bite. Yeah, that is correct, Dalton. False alarm. There's one on my Vexler, guys. We'll see if I can get him. Coming right off the bottom. Nothing. Swam away. Put it in his face and he didn't want it. Nope. Got a little action here. See if he'll take it. Oh.
Missed him?
Yep.
Nobody's caught a fish yet, guys. Who's gonna be the first? That might be the first.
Worms, red worms. I'm so used to seeing white fucking.
Nope. He went right back down to the bottom. Oh, here he comes again. Come on, take it. They are really finicky today, guys. Oh, we got a flag, guys. Or wait, do we? I can't. Yeah, we do. We got a flag, guys. Let's see.
It's not moving.
No, nothing. False alarm. Nothing on there. Just a false alarm, guys. one down there, guys, right now on the Vexilar. He's like on my bait right now. Oh, I missed him. Tip of the pole. Jerked. Here he comes. He's coming back. Oh, I missed him again. What is going on? It's gotta be a little guy. He's coming back. Yeah, it's gotta be a little guy. There he is. Got him. We are on, guys. This one doesn't actually feel that bad. It's getting wrapped around my Vexilar. Oh, that's not a bad one at all, guys. Here we go. Look at that. First fish of the day. And it's a nice gill. Not huge, but, I mean, it ain't bad for the first fish of the day. That'll go in the bucket. Heck yeah. I thought for sure it was a little one. Just with how I missed him twice and then he kept coming back. I was like, there's no way. What is going on here? There we go. Look at that gill, guys. Big as my hand. It's not bad. It'll eat. Casey is on the board. A perch.
That's a big one.
No, not that big.
It's a fat one. Fatter than ours.
Yeah. Second fish of the day is a perch caught by Casey. Well, we're starting to come around now, guys. Be ready.